Ciprofloxacin is basically a transcription inhibitor. It works to inhibit photosynthesis by inhibiting the enzymes that actually carry out the process of DNA synthesis and replication. Then you have erythromycin, which is basically an inhibitor through translation, and they prevent elongation at the transpeptidation step of synthesis by blocking the 50S polypeptide export tunnel. Then you have acyclovir, and that's basically also a transcription inhibitor, and it basically incorporates into an mRNA strand, and which is no phosphate group available when it comes to it to actually have an attack on the incoming nucleotide. So another no elongation for the transcription. Then when it comes to what drug is the most effective one, erythromycin is the most effective because it inhibits photosynthesis and permitting microorganisms. Then you have which drug has the effect on the host cells. You have acyclovir, which is to prevent transcription of needed proteins, and it targets the viruses to then use the host to replicate. Therefore, my example for why acyclovir is primarily used versus erythromycin. Acyclovir is used because in situations like herpes, it stops the production of the DNA. When it comes to erythromycin, it only stops the polypeptide synthesis. But with a disease like herpes, you want to stop the viral replication, which is most important in that disease.